over 7 years, we've been crafting designs that are more than just products. They're experiences. We started with the most outside-the-box ideas and went on to precision technologies and an engineering approach to production. Everything that we put in a box and ship to you is something that we truly love and enjoy ourselves. This time, we had a fascinating idea of uniting wood textures with electronics to retain a handcrafted feeling of sunlight and nature, but also make it interactive, dynamic, and fun. Beautiful clockwork centerpieces. These are assemble-it-yourself plywood models enhanced with electronics, LED lights, and wooden remote controls. Each has its own character and amazing features. They're all about imagination and bringing back that experience of building something really cool yourself. These are Woodcraft Marvels.
Are you ready to be freed from the bench? Meet Pokit PRO. Pokit PRO is a compact measurement device with a storable probe, so you can take it anywhere. Pokit PRO connects wirelessly to your phone via Bluetooth. It's a full-featured multimeter that measures voltage, current, resistance, temperature, diode drop, and continuity. It's rated to Cat 3, 600 volts, 10 amps. Pokit PRO is also a digital oscilloscope. You can acquire current and voltage waveforms with a button press or set up one-time or continuous mode triggers. You can pinch and drag to zoom and pan waveforms and to add cursors to measure. It includes Fourier analysis and supports multi-channel with up to 4 Pokit PRO devices. Pokit PRO allows you to take your creativity to new places. Pokit PRO is also a logger. It logs voltage, current or temperature for up to 6 months standalone. Connect to retrieve and display data and share your data to the web. Pokit PRO is rechargeable and has the power to keep going even when you don't. It even has a torch and can connect to your smartwatch. So whether you are at work, home or on the move, Pokit PRO is the only tool you will ever need. 2 years ago we started this journey with the highly successful Pokit Meter launched on Kickstarter. In response to our community's feedback, we've developed Pokit PRO, our most capable device ever. Support us on Kickstarter and join us on the journey.
We love drones. They can have cameras, sensors, and conquer the skies. So what's there to improve? At MakeKit, we love to tinker, develop, and even program things. So we made AirBit, the world's first microbit drone. The kit lets you build, modify, and even code your own drone. And with the MakeCode platform, that's easier than ever. Let's hear from the expert.
I'm Henning, the creator of AirBit. I discovered the microbit a few years ago. It was really easy to get started with and it had a great radio, so I decided to make a drone for it. This way anyone can build, design and program their own quadcopter. You can control it with another microbit or use your app. It's all open source, so you can make your own code with the Microsoft MakeCode platform, or you can even make your own app with the MIT App Inventor platform. We also include connections for servos, cameras and various sensors. Here's an FPV camera and here's an ultrasonic distance sensor. If you own a 3D printer, you can download and print this frame or design your own.
We can't wait to see what you create. Visit airbit.no for more information. MakeKit, time to build.
smart, easy-to-use artificial intelligence vision sensor designed to bring a new way for makers to build their projects. It comes with multiple functions such as face recognition, object tracking, object recognition, line tracking, color recognition, and tag recognition. By a simple click, HuskyLens will start learning things just like this. To play with it, the application of HuskyLens is truly versatile, from smart robots to interactive art projects. The object tracking mode of HuskyLens is innovative. The machine learning technology enables HuskyLens to learn custom-defined pattern of finger gesture and recognize it. Creating a gesture interactive art projects has never been so easy with HuskyLens. Put HuskyLens into a robotic dog and switch on the face recognition. New face can be learned and recognized. A unique pet is now alive. The color recognition makes the scenario even more fun. Learns a new ball and follow it. The interaction to the robotic toy has been brought to a new level. HuskyLens is more than just a color picker. Up to 10 different objects can be detected and recognized. With few clicks, the object is learned and selected. Click to switch on the line tracking mode. HuskyLens is now learning new lines and follow them. Tag recognition provides new possibility for applications, making an autonomous robot has never been so easy now. HuskyLens is engineered with a built-in UART interface which makes it compatible with most controllers such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Latte Panda, and Microbit. HuskyLens is extremely easy to be integrated into any projects and brings the intelligence of projects to a new level. Click, learn, and play.
Hi, I'm Josephine. I'm a student and I build a personal particle accelerator. So it all started in year 7. I had a project at school where I had to make a working model, something scientific. And just from my interest in science, I wanted to make a model of the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland. With the help of my dad, we kind of set out on this journey of experimenting and seeing what we could do. And we ended up with this prototype. It took the whole year. We did a lot of trial and error, but it was so rewarding in the end to see it work. So yeah, when I handed it into school, I got a little infinity sign as my mark, and my science teacher asked to buy it. So when I went home and told Dad, that was kind of the start of this journey. We wanted to give everyone the same experiences that we had, so we decided to turn it into a kit. We hope to see this kit go off to anyone who's interested in science, so that can be people like us, which was parents and their kids, or teachers and their students, or any hobbyists who are interested. So this is a prototype we made for my Year 7 science project, and this is the final kit we're selling to the Kickstarter community. It works the same way as the prototype did, with a steel ball bearing and 3 electromagnets, as you can see in the red. We programmed the Arduino to tell the electromagnets when to attract the steel bearing and when to turn off the electromagnet, so the steel ball bearing can whiz past and continue the cycle with the other 2. We have upgraded parts from the prototype. We have a throttle, so you can adjust the speed and experiment. We have a LCD screen where the speed and other parameters can be seen. And we have LED lights, so you get a visual indication of the ball spinning around. People in the community can use it. It's completely safe for home. We have a really in-depth set of instructions, so people can set it up easily and personalize it with their own gadgets or their own experiments they want to do. After this Kickstarter, we're planning to develop and launch more kits, so different difficulty levels, different age ranges, and different kind of scientific principles that people can learn from. Another project we're working on is how we can use light to transmit sound. Throughout the course of developing it, I've learned so many hands-on skills, including soldering and winding our own electromagnets and making our own circuit boards. But beyond that, I've learned the basics of programming throughout using an Arduino chip, on top of learning the basics of scientific principles. My name's Jerem from Awesome.Tech, and thanks for supporting our Kickstarter.